How to manage VN editor storage settings. The issue is usually hidden cache and project files. In this video, I'll show you how to manage VN editor storage settings and free up space quickly. First, open the VN editor and then go to the profile on the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Go to the settings menu. Inside settings, look for the storage or cleanup storage option. This is where most unnecessary data is stored without you noticing. Next, tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files, preview data, and unused rendering files. Don't worry, your actual video projects will stay safe. Now, go back and check your project list. Delete any unwanted drafts or duplicate edits, as these can silently take up a lot of storage space. Also, if you've imported heavy media files like videos or music, consider removing the ones you no longer use inside your project folders. This helps improve performance and frees up internal space. Finally, restart the app to refresh everything. You'll notice smoother performance and better loading speed. And that's how you can easily manage VN editor storage settings and keep your editing experience clean, fast, and optimized.